In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your PayPal account is verified. PayPal doesn't show a direct account status label, but there's still a reliable way to confirm it. Let's get started. First, there's no visible account status section in PayPal, so you won't see a label that says verified, but there's still one way to check. Next, go to paypal.com and sign into your account using your email and password. Then, head to the home section of your dashboard where you'll see your account summary. After that, scroll down and look for your linked bank account or card. If it says approved or shows as connected, your account is verified. But if you haven't linked any bank or ATM card yet, scroll back up and click Add Bank or Card. Now, you can choose to add a credit card or a bank account, then follow the prompts and enter your details. If you need help with that, check out the other videos on this channel for a full tutorial. And that's how you check if your PayPal account is verified. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides. See you next time!